Current scenario of real estate in India, according to me personally, I feel it is pretty good, though it is on a little sluggish mode, but then a little bit of sluggishness is also good at times because it is not whatever goes up has to come down. So I think it brings about a little stability in the market. So stability is always good because finally in the long term it helps to correct itself, and I foresee definitely a very good future for the real estate. Prima facie, it is because of certain reasons. Reasons like India is definitely growing, though yes, the growth path has stopped for a while, but I definitely feel that after 2014 elections, markets will move up. You often find stock markets also definitely showing the indicator of moving up. Yesterday it went up by several 100 points, probably the biggest gain in several months till now. We have a new RBI governor who is also doing very good for the economy. Markets are definitely taking the cues from him and in reacting very positively. Per capita income is also rising. We see more people moving into this sector. Real estate helps people income grow, and I think where it's the fastest way to make money for individuals also. People need households. There are a lot of households which are required for individuals to move in. New companies are setting up base. More companies from abroad are also coming in to India. So that will definitely help people look for new houses. People who come daily and commute from the suburban sectors are definitely going to stay in. So the affordable segment is definitely in, and we are looking at that sector in a very aggressive way. The summit helps the real estate industry because we get to talk to so many people. People air their views, what is happening, what is in, what is out. We get to engage with people. We get to engage with people such as you also. Media also helps to play a very important part in this industry because we get to know what is happening. We get to communicate our thoughts per se in the market as well, which is extremely important. It's a forum which creates an engagement exercise with the end consumers via media and also our channel partners here, and it also gets you an insight and the mindset of what the people ask, because there's a Q&A session where people ask you questions. There's a presentation where we present on different topics. I think most of the myriad topics do get covered, and I think it's a good interactive and a learning session as well.